Hello everyone, welcome to Money Nook. In this video, let's talk about taxes. From this video, we'll have three takeaways. First, we'll understand what is a tax, then, we'll have a look at different types of taxes, and lastly, we will see the different taxes that we have in India. To start off with, what is a tax? We often hear, right? Income tax, sales tax, etc. What is a tax? Tax is nothing but a financial charge which a government imposes on a person or an entity. This entity can be a company, an organization, anything. And the taxes collected will be used for public spending. Taxes can be classified into three types: direct taxes, indirect taxes, and a few other taxes. Let's have a look. In direct tax, tax is directly levied on a person or an entity. Some of the direct taxes are income tax, property tax, capital gains tax, gift tax, interest tax, etc. And for corporates, it's corporate tax, dividend tax, minimum alternate tax, etc. Let's have a quick overview about each of these taxes. First is income tax. Under income tax, a person or an entity is taxed based on their income, and the tax rate is also determined by the income level. Next is property tax. Under property tax, if you own a land, a house, building, shops, etc., you need to pay tax for the property. Next is gift tax. In gift tax, you pay tax on the gifts that you received, and it is dependent upon the relationship you have with the person who has given the gift to you, the occasion, and also the total amount of gifts you received in a financial year. Next is capital gains tax. Under capital gains tax, you pay tax to the government on the amount of profit you earned from the sale of a capital asset. This capital asset can be land, house, shares, bond, gold, etc. And again, here as well, the tax rate is determined by two things. First, the type of asset. Second, the ownership period. Based on this, the capital gains tax is classified into long term and short term, and different tax rates are applied. Next tax under direct taxes is interest tax. Under interest tax, you pay tax on the interest you earn, and this tax rate is again determined by your total income level. Moving on, next tax is perquisite tax. Under perquisite tax, you pay tax for all the perquisites you receive from your employer, like house, car, etc. Again, this tax is subject to the type of usage that you have and the type of perquisite that you received from your employer. Last one is wealth tax. An additional tax is levied on individuals when income crosses more than 1 crore, or for companies when income crosses more than 10 crores. This is wealth tax. It is similar to surcharge, which gets started if individual income crosses 50 lakhs and corporate income crosses 1 crore. These are some of the direct taxes that we have in India. Moving on to indirect taxes. Indirect tax is the tax that is levied on goods or services, and indirect taxes are transferable unlike direct taxes. Some of the indirect taxes are GST, goods and services tax, stamp duty, STT, VAT, and customs duty. Let's have a quick overview about each of these. First comes GST, Goods and Services Tax. Under GST, tax is levied at every level of value addition, and multiple indirect taxes which are under use previously in India are subsumed under GST. Next tax is stamp duty. Whenever you sell a property or buy a property, you need to pay a tax on the sale or transaction. This is nothing but the stamp duty. Next is STT, Securities Transaction Tax. This is the tax that you pay on purchase or sale of stocks. Next is VAT. VAT is paid again on goods and services, and it is paid to the state government. Currently, it is limited to very few goods like alcohol. Next is customs duty. Customs duty is levied on import or export of goods from or to India. These are few indirect taxes. Apart from the taxes we just had a brief overview about, we also have other taxes like fringe benefit tax, wealth tax, inheritance tax, expatriation tax, etc. for individuals and companies, and corporate tax, dividend tax, minimum alternate tax for companies. So in this video we learned what is tax and also the different direct and indirect taxes that we have in India. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the content, please like this video and share it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to Money Nook and check out other videos in Know Your Basics playlist. Thank you and bye bye.